Hey everybody, Gigi and I here, starting to get into the holiday spirit with our weekly celebrations. Awesome job, Meadowbrook. We reached our school-wide average of 60 minutes again. We actually had 62 average minutes and 62 average puzzles. How do we keep matching our number of puzzles and our number of minutes? Gigi, I just don't know how they do it. Congratulations to the following kindergarten classes who reached 60 minutes. Mrs. Bates, Mrs. Lavin, and Mrs. Sousa. Congratulations to our first grade classes that reached their average of 60 minutes. Miss Byrne, Mrs. Kameyer, Miss Elke, Mrs. Knowlton, Miss Tomasi, and Mrs. Rinaldi. Congratulations to the following second grade classes that reached the average of 60 minutes. Mrs. Bernard, Mrs. Casey, Mrs. Humphreys, Mrs. Lungarini, Mrs. Rogalski, Mrs. Sanchez, Mrs. Sears, and Mrs. Spear. And to our second grade classes that reached their grade level average of 90 minutes a week. Congratulations to Mrs. Humphreys, Mrs. Rogalski, Mrs. Sanchez, and Mrs. Sears' class. Way to go, guys. Now, our top 5. It keeps shifting a little bit. Here are our top 5 classes for most puzzles completed this year. Mrs. Bates with 18,794. Mrs. Sears with 18,204. Mrs. Lavin, 17,119. Mrs. Bernard, 17,002. And Mrs. Casey with 16,862. And this week's top 5 average weekly puzzles: Mrs. Sears, 132. Mrs. Bates, 105. Mrs. Casey, 89. Mrs. Maza, 86. And Mrs. Bernard, 85. An awesome job done by everybody at Meadowbrook Elementary for another week. Keep up the great work, and we'll see you next week for more celebrations.